Welcome back to Repair and Replace. The AllSpark 50D50U-843 is a universal control module by Copeland, White Rodgers. Through simple programming, the module can be configured for over 1,000 direct spark and intermittent pilot models. In this video, we'll take a high-level look at the features, what's included in the box, and briefly cover the configuration and installation process. Thank you to Copeland White Rodgers for sponsoring this video. Please note this video is intended for professional technicians only. Improper installation can lead to serious hazards like electrocution or fire. The 50D50U-843 is compatible with over 1,000 spark ignition and intermittent pilot models, so you'll find a few extra connectors in the box. This includes a vent damper jumper plug, local flame sense jumper wire, 11-pin wire harness assembly, 1/4-inch QC spade nail spike adapter, 6 3/16-inch spade terminals, 4 1-inch sheet metal screws, and a shrink wrap sleeve. On the board is a range of connectors, eliminating the need for an adapter wire harness. The board features near-field communication, NFC, allowing it to be pre-configured using the Connect app before installation, even without power. No Wi-Fi or mobile data is required. Overall, the 50D50U-843 is easy to install and configure. You can use the list on the side of the box or the White Rodgers mobile app to find a cross-reference. On the board is a 7-segment display for showing status and error codes. The buttons enable configuration after the board has been installed. The preferred method of configuration is through the White Rodgers Connect app prior to installation. You can scan the QR code directly on the board to download the app through the Apple Store or Google Play. Tap Connect to Control. The screen will show ready to scan. Place your mobile device on the board for a few seconds until a configuration screen appears. First, choose whether the module is an intermittent pilot or a direct spark ignition system. Table 1 on page 3 of the installation manual will show the configuration options for both systems. With the Auto Set feature, you can enter the part number of the OEM or competitor board that you're replacing, and it will automatically configure to match the board. Once the settings are configured in the Connect app, they must be uploaded to the control. Select Update Control and touch the device. It might take up to 10 seconds for the update to work. At this point, the control board is ready to be installed. First, disconnect all power and shut off the gas. Take a picture of the wires for reference. Before removing the board, reference the wiring chart. The wiring will depend on if it's an intermittent pilot or a direct spark system. The new board comes with an 11-pin wire harness. The wires from the existing board can be transferred to this harness or the dedicated spade terminals on the circuit board. Remove each of the wires and transfer them to the appropriate connector. Now remove the board. For the 50D50U-843, there are 4 mounting holes. In this case, the module can be installed in any orientation, but it's best if it's mounted in an easily accessible place that will not damage or obstruct any wires. Now connect the rest of the wires, including the ground wire. There are also connections for the spark igniter, flame sensor, and vent damper. Additionally, this control features a Bluetooth connector, an air temperature sensor connector, replaceable fuse, an inducer motor connector, and a 24-volt alarm output. For more detailed steps, you can watch the official installation videos in the link below. Once the board is powered up, it will enter standby mode. The display will show active status as well as any error codes. Codes can be viewed and cleared directly from the control. Additionally, the White Rodgers Connect app offers a Diagnostic tab. You can also view and clear all error codes from this screen. Note that connecting to the board, updating configurations, and clearing codes from the Connect app can all be done unpowered, but you'll still have to upload to the board for the changes to take effect. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an Amory location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.